Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Robinson. I'm so excited to be your mystery reader. Today I'm going to share one of my favorite books. It's called The Thingamajig Book of Manners, and it's story by Irene Keller, and it's illustrated by Dick Keller. Let's see. So, The Thingamajig Book of Manners. Thingamajigs eat toads and snails and pick their teeth with their fingernails. Down here there's a little boy. It says, after meals. They slurp their soup, they rock their chairs, and they eat their dinner in their underwear. And down here it says, my table manners are the best you'll ever see. It's always such a pleasure when you sit and eat with me. They never use napkins, they dribble and drool, and they always talk when their mouths are full. It says, I eat neatly. They eat like pigs, those thingamajigs. Says, I get all my vitamins and eat the way I should. Just a little of what you fancy does you such a lot of good. They like to argue and they like to fight. They're very good at being rude. They practice every night. Says, be a pal, play fair, take your manners everywhere. Their favorite thing is littering. They also like to spit. They're icky and they're sticky and they just don't mind a bit. That's a definite no-no. They never say thank you, and they never say please, and they never use a tissue when they cough or sneeze. That's not good. Minding our manners means thinking of others, our friends and our teachers, our sisters and brothers, our grandmas and grandpas, our fathers and mothers. Rude words, bad words, mumbles and grunts, those thingamajigs all talk at once. Waiting our turn and excuse me please help us out of spots like these. They might not know which end is which, but thingamajigs scratch where thingamajigs itch. That's gross. Wash away your wildlife. They kick, they bite, they scream, they fight, but they never say good morning and they never say good night. Good words and cheerful smiles, I found, help to make the world go round. Thingamajig girls and thingamajig boys do not share their thingamajig toys. Learning to share is learning to grow. That's what life's about, you know. Thingamajigs sulk and thingamajigs say, if I won't win, then I won't play. Good sports do their best they can. We can do the same. We win some and we lose some, but we're always in the game. Don't clean up and they don't do chores, but they're very good at slamming doors. Help out, do your share, pitch in, play fair. When people mind their manners, they're as charming as they look, and they'll never see their picture in the thingamajig book. The end. I enjoyed reading with you today. Miss you all. Bye.